In front of me is INFINIX Zero 30, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Password and Security. Now click on Face Unlock and enter your current screen lock. Finally, hit Enroll Face. Read all of those disclaimers and after 5 seconds, hit Start. Lastly, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then apply one of those options: Unlock directly or Stay on lock screen. Wherever you decided, when you finished, hit Done. You can also use this sweater next to security restrictions to turn them off or on. So now, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!